How to replace a battery for a BMW X5 key fab. This arm uses a CW32. The first part is to locate the valet parking button and remove the key. Then with your hands remove the cap in the back. Remove gently. Then remove the battery from the package. This was the hardest part. Remove the old battery. You will need a pointed object. Replace the new battery. Gently place the cap back on, making sure the guides in the bottom fit correctly. Apply some pressure until it clicks into place. Put the valet key back into place. You are done.